In this video, we'll show you how to set up the CoolDrive integration in MechanicDesk. This allows you to open CoolDrive when adding invoice items, search for the correct parts for your vehicle, and then import them directly into the invoice in MechanicDesk. It's super helpful and can save you a lot of time. To get started, we'll head to the Settings page, then the Integrations tab, then Supplier Systems. Click on CoolDrive to open the Integrations settings. First, enter the email address for your CoolDrive account. Then we need to add in the access token. For this, we need to go to the CoolDrive website and log into our account. Once logged in, navigate to My Account at the top of the screen. Then, at the bottom of the account page, you will see the access token section. Click Generate Access Token, then copy that number that's created. Now we need to head back to MechanicDesk and paste that token into the access token field. Next, we can configure the integration settings. The Preferred Sell Price setting will determine whether MechanicDesk will use its own buy-in markup, which you can configure yourself, or to use the Retail Recommended Price from CoolDrive when importing stock items. The Automatically Save Parts to Inventory setting will add the new parts from CoolDrive to your MechanicDesk inventory. And if you want to save the parts as a non-stock item, check the Save Parts as Non-Stock setting. Furthermore, if you want to designate all the imported parts from CoolDrive to a specific stock category in your MechanicDesk inventory, configure that here. Lastly, the Disable Prefix setting will remove the prefix that gets added to the item when adding it to MechanicDesk. We'll point this out later. Let's save these settings and jump into a job to see how CoolDrive works. On the right side of the job, where you add items to the invoice, you should see a CoolDrive icon. Click this to open it in a new tab. The vehicle's details, such as its registration number and VIN, are automatically entered into the search field. Click Show Vehicle to select the vehicle based on the entered registration number. Then click Locate Parts. The relevant parts should then display on the right. We can search for the parts that we need and add them to the cart here. When we're ready, we'll go to the cart and we'll click Send Parts to MechanicDesk. We'll be redirected back to MechanicDesk, where our items have been added to the invoice. MechanicDesk will also prompt you to create a purchase order with those items if you choose to do so. Let's confirm this and select the items we want to buy. We can then send this off directly to CoolDrive as an order by clicking Send Order. We can see on the invoice that the items have been added with the correct name, quantity, and price that we configured in our settings earlier. Notice the CD prefix that's been added to our items, which we mentioned earlier as a setting you can configure. And that's an overview of how to set up and use CoolDrive within MechanicDesk. If you have any questions or doubts, reach out to our customer service team. We're here to help.